The true vine is the source of real life. And this is the vine that is planted by the true gardener. The true vine, Jesus Christ, is the source, the only source of true life, the life that we were literally created for. We find it when we are in Jesus Christ, abiding in Jesus Christ. And all of this is being tended to. All of this has been planted by the vine dresser, by God the Father. This is the vine that has roots deep inside of God's soil. This is the vine that brings life to its branches, you and me, the church of Jesus Christ, where the branches then begin to bear the right kind of fruit, the fruit that glorifies God, which is language that Christ is going to get to a little bit later on inside of this passage of Scripture. All other vines are false vines. All other claims to be a source of life for you and me are false claims.